Braised tofu is a very classic specialty dish, and the method is also very simple. Prepare the following ingredients first. First, we cut the tofu we bought into small pieces so that each piece of tofu can be coated with sauce. Then chop the green onion, and chili pepper and set aside. Boil the water and pour in the cut tofu. Be extra careful during the whole process. After the water boils again, turn down the heat and cook for 2 minutes to prevent the tofu from breaking. Next, heat the cooking oil, pour in the garlic and onion, and stir fry until fragrant. Then pour in the Thicken bean paste and stir fry until fragrant. At this time, we add salt, sugar, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, chili pepper, and dark soy sauce for seasoning. Next, gently pour in the tofu, turn it over slightly, and then pour in water to cover the tofu. After boiling, we pour in the starch water. Keep the heat high and stir slowly. The sauce will gradually thicken and coat each piece of tofu with sauce. Finally, just sprinkle some chopped green onions to garnish. I put the text steps at the end. Come and learn with me.